A few hours later.
Holy cannoli! What is going on?
My hairpin! It's gone! I've been robbed!
Huh? My hairpins are gone too. Who could have done that?
Calm down. We have to find the thief. Interesting.
And what's in this box? I got it! Thing just wanted to keep everything in place. I know exactly what we'll do today. Come on!
You did mean we'll make an organizer today, right? What will it look like?
That's a good question. Any ideas?
That's a thinker. Hey, Thing! Do you have any ideas? I know. Let's make it look like Wednesday!
I might need help to recollect her looks.
No problemo! Draw a big head, then a triangle for a dress. Oh, and don't forget about 2 arms and 2 legs.
I think something went wrong with this. Oh, it looks like Thing was drawing something as well.
Huh? Hey, that's exactly what I meant.
Good job, Thing. Now, we need a magic cut. But the bare cardboard will be stiff to color.
It's a good thing I'm so thoughtful. Here you go, Sue.
Thanks for this foam paper silhouette, Sammy. Now, if we add shadows around the edges, our craft will look more realistic.
Then what are we waiting for? Let's do this!
That's pretty easy, friends. Just follow my lead. And here's how a cotton swab comes in handy. Now, we can move on to the face. Let me sketch everything real quick. She's so pretty, but we need to add color to make the eyes look even better.
I know exactly what you need. I'm on it. Yay! I better hurry. I don't think Uncle Fester likes me going through his things. Bingo! This is it! Susie, I'm coming!
What took you so long, Sammy?
Sorry, Sue, but I promise you will love what I brought here.
Yay! We can start coloring! What color shall we make the eyes?
Oh, police! Her eyes should be brown, like mine!
Oh, that's handy. Hold still then. I'm using you as a model.
Whoa, I'm a model? Hold on a second. That's more like it. Okay, I'm ready.
All right, stay like that. I'm almost done.
Must stay in place. This is hard.
Let me just make a couple of finishing touches.
No! I can't contain all this energy anymore.
Well then, let's put it to good use. And I'm going to do the eyelashes. Without them, the eyes don't look as dramatic. What should we do about the lips?
I have just the right lipstick here. What do you say?
Well, these lips are a little too big, but the color's a match.
I helped.
Well, what did I say? This pink is perfect. Now let's get to the outfit. What color should we use?
Black, of course. Adam style, you know.
Okie dokie.
Well, you won't be idle much longer. Come to Papa! Hey, come back here! Wait!
Leave him alone, Sammy, especially when we need this net. I've got the needle, so all I need to do now is get the thread.
I know where to get it. Come over here. I wonder how loud will Sue scream. Hey, Susie! Close your eyes and give me your hand!
Oh, what's this? That's some weird spool of thread. Ow, is that a spider?
Yeah, it's my new friend, and he made us a thread.
Why, thank you, Spidey. This is just what we needed. All right, now I'll thread the netting together to make a bouffant skirt. See? Nothing complicated. Now we need to combine these two pieces together. Oh, you look great this way.
This dress top looks so cool. Maybe I should keep it.
No, let's finish our craft. And then if you want, I'll dress you up too.
All right then, let's not forget to pick out shoes. Hey!
Well, I don't think these will suit our Wednesday. How about this pair? Yeah, it's not it either.
What? I think Thing found them.
Wow, black, shiny, and stylish. And of course, they fit great. Well done, Thing. What do you say, Sam?
This outfit lacks a little spice. I know, let's add more decorations. The collar and socks will make a great addition.
Nice idea. It really does look better already. Here comes the right sock. And this is the left one. Perfect! But for my taste, there needs to be more bling in here.
You can't forget about shoe decor either.
It is like you're reading my thoughts, Sammy.
What's up, buddy? What did you bring there? A map? We must find the treasure. Follow me. Alrighty, I'm pretty sure it's here. What's in there? Oh, those are just 3 pearls. I thought it would be chocolate.
Cheer up, Sammy. This is just what we've been looking for, and we can eat sweets later. I like the way she turns out, but it's like we're missing something.
Oh, we totally forgot about the hair. I'll be right back. Hey, you! You're not some kind of living evil wig, are you? Great, you're coming with me. Aren't I the best for finding such cool hair? Ah! The wig tricked me! Help!
Don't worry so much. We need another kind of hair anyway.
Oh, that's right. I can hold this for you. Oh, Sue! Try not to pull so fast! Duh!
Oops! Did you say something, Sammy? We need to lock the hair together so that it doesn't fall apart, and cut off the excess. Now let's do the signature Wednesday Addams braids.
I'll do it! I'm the most famous Tibbidabian hairstylist. Oh, come on! Sue, help me! Again.
Don't worry, weaving yarn braids isn't as easy as it seems. I also struggle with that, even though I practice almost daily, you know? Well, there you go. She's totally ready.
Yay! I can't wait to have a better look at her.
Hopefully no hairpins will get lost now. I should get my hair pinned up. Where was it? Oh, right! We now have a hairpin organizer. That's so convenient.
Good morning. Could you hang up my hairpin, please?
Of course! There you go. Nice and neat. That's done. Why don't we draw something? Where are my pencils? Hey, come back here!
Thanks for being with us today. Don't miss our new videos. Hey, that's mine!